press conference. We have our player of the game, Arvin Tolentino, as an assistant coach, Renzi Bahar of Northport. Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, ano yung nakita nyo in this game na kulang o wala the first 3 games?
First of all, I would like to thank the Lord for this game. So, yun lang, siguro yung number one na pinoint out ng coaching staff, especially ni Coach Boni for the past 3 games is yung energy and aggressiveness namin on defense. Then ngayon wala kaming masabi doon sa pinakita ng mga players, especially on the first part of the game na talagang andun yung pressure defense from the backcourt until doon sa front court ng Ginebra. Nasunod namin yung gusto namin magawa, nasunod ng mga players. At the same time, sinunod ng mga players na gawin. So yun yung pinaka-importante doon na how they play as a team, especially on defense on the first part.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Arvin, pinag-usapan lang natin before the game na grabe nga yung depensa, yung scouting sa'yo ng Barangay Ginebra. But you wanna try to find a way na ma-overcome yun and be able to impact your team positively, provide a spark. And tonight, nagawa mo yun. Ano bang pakiramdam na you were able to see yourself be able to do that and get a win in the series?
Well, I just really had to, diba? Because kasi kung hindi, wala na, out na kami, diba? So, kumbaga, yun, like what you said, find a way. And we, as a team, found a way today. And, yun, sarap naman sa feeling, panalo. Nanalo rin. But, again, it's not it's just one win, diba? It's a best of 7 series. So you gotta win 3 more. And hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yung magandang laro namin. Like today, especially we had 28 assists. And, from the next game up to the last, we really have to just find a way to win, diba? Kasi and first, ito na yung nauna. And 3 more, diba? Mukhang imposible pero diba? Wala namang imposible.